I show me
Hey, what's up people? I'm SKR and this is my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share something that I think is pretty interesting. In this video, I'll be showing you a speed build of my first robot. Back in the winters of 2015, I got myself a LEGO Mindstorms EV3 kit. I had to go through a lot of trouble to get my hands on this, but eventually I had this with me. LEGO Mindstorms EV3 is a platform that allows you to build robots and program them on a graphical user interface in the LEGO software. It's an object-oriented program and has a map to link the hardware together. This is the first robot in the series and I'll be doing more of such builds in the future. If you liked this video, then like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channel. All the links to the social handles and pages are in the description down below. Take care, stay strong.